Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use DCTL in DaVinci Resolve. DCTL, or DaVinci Color Transform Language Files, are powerful custom code snippets for unique color transformations. They offer incredibly precise control over your image, often going beyond what standard Resolve tools can achieve. Many professional colorists use them for specific technical conversions or to create bespoke cinematic looks. Understanding these files unlocks a new level of color grading capability, providing flexibility and accuracy for advanced color work. To install your DCTL, first locate Resolve's specific LUTs folder on your computer. The exact path varies slightly depending on your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. For instance, on Windows, you will find it within your App Data Roaming folder. On Mac OS, it's typically within your library. Always ensure DaVinci Resolve is completely closed before adding new DCTL files. This ensures the software recognizes and loads them upon restart, making them ready for use. Once installed, applying a DCTL in DaVinci Resolve is straightforward. Open your project and navigate directly to the color page. Add a new serial node to your node tree, or select an existing one for your desired transformation. In the lower left section of the color page, locate the LUTs panel. Your newly installed DCTL will be listed there, often alongside your regular lookup tables, ready for you to select and apply instantly. For advanced DCTL usage, consider their placement within your node tree. Results vary significantly based on their position. Combine DCTL with traditional color correction tools for creating highly sophisticated, nuanced looks. Many DCTL allow for internal parameter adjustments, giving you greater flexibility to fine-tune their effect. If you have some C99 coding knowledge, consider diving into creating your own DCTL. This offers the ultimate level of custom control over your image processing workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.